Here's the Aspley ladies. They're so quiet. They're not naughty. This is number 3. And you can see down in the comb, just pull them out. Okay, no I won't. Okay, hang on. Okay, you can see that they're just building the honeycomb out from the foundation before they start filling it full of honey. Pretty much every frame in here is like this, which is what they love to do. There is the favourite queenie of my favourite hive. Can you see her? She's under a bee. She's beautiful. Really beautiful. And I've just been through every frame in hive number 2 at Aspley, and every single cell has got 1-day-old and 3-day-old eggs in it. She's just amazing. Absolutely amazeballs. My favourite. They say don't fall in love with your queens because you might have to squash them one day. But I love her. These guys have all jumped out to get out of my way, and now they'll have to just work their way back down. But they're just hanging off. It's funny how they do that. These are the lovely number 2s. They'll just make their way back in their own time.